Right, this is a sketch, and they ask make an accurate drawing of this quadrilateral. So you have to use your ruler and your protractor to make an accurate drawing. So we're going to start with the 4 centimeters. So I'm going to take my ruler. I'm going to measure 4 centimeters on the dot. You must be accurate as you can. This angle is 150 degrees. So I take my protractor, put my line on the vertex, make sure it's on the vertex, on this line, and I have to measure 130 degrees. Right, so from there to there, 130. So from here to there, doesn't matter how long your arms are, I must get my angle. 10, so I start with 0, not 180, 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, and I make a little dot because I know that's the angle. The length of this arm, 3 centimeters. So I must just make sure I'm drawing this line towards this angle. So it's 3 centimeters. 1, 2, 3. Right? So that's 3 centimeters, 130 degrees. I don't have this angle, so I can't draw this line. But I can go this side, and I'm going to measure 110 degrees from there to there. So I'm going to put my protractor on the end of that line to form my angle, and I want 110 degrees. Start with a 0, so the 0 is inside. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and I want 110. Make a little dot, right? And then I'm going to draw my line towards that dot, but I must draw my arm 6 centimeters long. So towards the dot, remember this is a sketch, it's not the real measurements. Right, so 6 centimeters, stop, that's 6 centimeters. So this is your real one, and then you're just going to join or finish the quadrilateral, and they can ask you measure this line. So if you were accurate, your line will be the same length.